Ford Kodiak Locksport.
Hey everybody, this is Lord Kodiak. I want to do the Shacklemen Cuff Club Cuff College SW8 behind the back challenge. The idea here is take your Smith Wesson cups, put them on behind your back, and pick out of them with a bobby pin. So I've already hidden a bobby pin on my back that was missed during my search. So going to put them on, hold down, and try to get them on. I have little T-Rex arms, so behind my back stuff like this is pretty effective for me to struggle getting them on. They are on, as you can see, and let's try to get in my pocket here where I have bobby pin. So now I just gotta get it in the hole. Yep, famous last words. And once I can do that, I think I'll be alright. You know the old song, nobody knows the trouble I see, nobody knows my sorrow. Yeah, I'm not a singer. That's why I'm reduced down to trying to escape handcuffs. Yeah, I'm out. With my bobby pin Smith & Wessons. That's challenge number 8, Cuff College SW8 behind the back challenge.